Integrating AutoDS with WooCommerce streamlines your dropshipping business by automating product imports, order fulfillment, and inventory management. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for AutoDS. Create an account on AutoDS if you haven't already. This will give you access to all the automation features for your dropshipping store. Access WooCommerce settings. Log into your WooCommerce store's dashboard. Ensure your store is fully set up with the necessary products and settings. Connect AutoDS to WooCommerce. In your AutoDS account, navigate to the integration section from the sidebar. Select WooCommerce from the list of platforms. Install AutoDS plugin. Install the AutoDS plugin for WooCommerce from the WordPress plugin directory. Activate the plugin once installed. API key setup. Back in your AutoDS dashboard, generate an API key. Copy this key and return to your WooCommerce settings, where you will find a section to input the API key. Configure settings. After connecting, configure your AutoDS settings, such as shipping methods and pricing rules. Import products. Use AutoDS to import products directly into your WooCommerce store, automating inventory and pricing updates.